While traveling to my airbnb, I brought my portable door lock. This lock is key to have for airports and hotels while traveling. It prevents unauthorized entry by anyone with a key to your room. And no one's getting in.
Amazon Home Hack. Keep your closet organized with this expandable acrylic shoe organizer that requires no tools to put together and folds down in an instant.
Let me show you why you need one of these oil dispensers. You can actually use it as a spray, super easy. Or if you need to use it as a pour, you just hit this button at the top and you can pour your favorite oils just like that. And these spray cans are about $6 for 8 ounces of oil, when you can put your favorite oils in here and you can actually pour. With these, you cannot pour. So that's just another reason why you guys need one of these. So throw this thing out and get one of these right now in the TikTok shop. Super cheap. Click right down here, guys. Get yours before they sell out.
Are you ready for it?
Take a look at our best sellers. This is always a hit. So is this. This one gets them every time.
This bottle is the perfect way to make balls of ice. If you are like me and get bored with regular ice cubes, this is the best way to mix it up. They definitely more exciting and actually makes your drink a little bit more fancy. They are also more satisfying to make because they come out perfect pretty much every time. I think this may just take the top spot of my favorite ice shape.
I'm so excited to cook with these. I love these electric spice grinders. You can adjust how fine or chunky you want it. With the press of the button, it starts grinding. I love it has that flashlight feature so you can see exactly how much is coming out. This was such a good set and easy to set up. Tap that cart below.